Hello all, my name is Krish Nayak and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, super excited to announce our new bootcamp that is nothing but modern no-code AI route, which will actually help you to become a AI generalist to AI builder. Now, this was one of the most requested bootcamp from past 3 months. And if you see with respect to the recent trends based on how AI is evolving, this kind of job roles are coming up again and again. Okay. So if I go ahead and probably see and search in LinkedIn with respect to various job roles on AI generalist, you can see senior AI generalist, you can see generative AI RAG, you can see specialist, artificial intelligence specialist, agentic AI, graphs LLM, specialist generative AI. You can probably go ahead and see. So this cloud AI specialist, right? And there are many simple similar kind of job roles. You can see AI platform specialist, right? So this kind of job role is definitely going to come up more and more since AI LLM models are evolving so much. So many amazing platforms from Claude, from to ChatGPT Codex, each and everything. Like these companies are coming up with the entire ecosystem, and many companies are using the ecosystem to build AI agents, help their clients to probably develop amazing agentic AI application itself, right? So considering this evolvement, we thought of launching this specific batch. This is our second similar batch. We had already launched one of the batch last year, and this is our next batch with much more updates in the curriculum. So in this specific video, I will be talking about what all things we are going to cover. We'll also get a clear idea about what is AI generalist, what is AI builder, considering the kind of requirement that is there. Okay. Now, one very important point over here is that you need not have any prerequisite over here. Like you do not need to have any kind of coding knowledge, because here we are completely going to learn about generative AI, agentic AI, building AI agents. We are going to learn about MCP server completely by no code tools, right? We're going to use amazing ecosystems like Claude ecosystem. We are going to use ChatGPT. We are going to use, when I say ChatGPT, I'm probably considering to use Codex, the entire ecosystem over there. Along with that, we are also going to see that how we can use automation tools like n8n to create amazing workflows and many more things. Now, let me go ahead and talk more about the details of this particular batch. The start date is May 17th, 2026. The classes will be on Saturday and Sunday, 8 p.m. to 11 p.m. IST. And this course is going to be somewhere around 3 to 4 months, definitely till 4 months, because there will be a lot of doubt clearing sessions after the sessions itself, right? So let's say that if your class is between 8 p.m. to 11 p.m, after that, you're also going to have a doubt clearing session. So it is going to go till 3 to 4 hours, right? The boot camp cost is somewhere around 7,500 rupees INR, including of 18% GST. So that basically means 18% is just going to go to the government, and remaining will be the fees of the entire course. Along with this, I have an amazing news. You all will be able to get 15% discount for the initial 300 seats. All the discount information will be provided in the description of this particular video. Now, let me go ahead and let me talk more about this, what all things we are going to cover. So first of all, I'll go ahead and click on enroll now. And here, if you go ahead and open it, right? So this is what the landing page looks like. And here, if you go down, you'll be able to see a detailed syllabus, right? Now, detailed syllabus is basically like we'll be learning many more things over here, all the tools that we are going to cover. We are going to develop agentic AI application. We are going to develop no code apps. We are going to probably go ahead and talk about MCP server to each and everything over here, right? So the detailed curriculum is mentioned over here. You can go ahead and check it out, right? But let me go ahead and talk more about this and what all roles we are going to cover after completing this boot camp, how it is going to be beneficial for you, or everything I will be discussing about. So the course name is Modern Route to Learn AI, specifically using no code tool. We definitely have one more route where we can also use coding tools. But now, these three trending roles are probably coming up, right? AI specialist, AI generalist, and AI builder. Okay. So if I probably go ahead and consider, let's say AI specialist, right? AI specialist. And similarly, if I go ahead and consider AI generalist, right? And if I go ahead and consider AI builder, right? We will just take a brief idea about these three roles. If I've been working in this AI field from past 13 to 14 years, right? Whenever we talk about AI specialist, it is just like you're specializing in something, right? Let's say you know about machine learning, you know about NLP, you know about deep learning, you know about computer vision, you know about generative AI, you know about agentic AI, right? And with the help of this specific skills, what we do is that we develop applications, we use different kind of frameworks, we develop some super cool workflows and all, which will automate various tasks, or it will be helping the clients, right? Now, from AI specialist, when we go towards AI generalist now, and recently, what I feel that anybody can probably go ahead and learn AI. Now, they are people who are specifically coming from non-tech background. They are people who are coming from a background where they don't have much coding knowledge, but they really have too much of domain knowledge, that they have a very good domain knowledge since they are working on that particular field. Let's say HR, finance, there's other fields like sales, marketing, all those kind of fields. And those people, if they really want to use AI, before I used to tell them, okay, you have to follow a specific path. In that path, you need to probably go ahead and learn about coding for some time and then move towards understanding different frameworks, and then probably try to see that how you can use your domain knowledge by integrating all these things and developing applications. Now, AI is evolving so much, right? Even the people who are actually coming from any kind of background can become an AI generalist. When I say AI generalist, that basically means they are going to solve problems from multiple domains, right? It can be marketing, it can be sales, it can be any kind of domain, right? And for all these things, you really need to know AI techniques. You need to know about AI tools. You need to know about AI technical terms, right? Now, some of the technical terms, if I probably see, like with respect to this particular course, let's say you have to go ahead and learn about generative AI. Okay, fine. You go ahead and learn about this. You learn about LLMs. You learn about how LLMs work. You learn about all the theoretical stuffs with respect to LLM, right? Then, with respect to implementation, what you do, you use some kind of no-code tools, right? No code tools. Let's say one example is Na10. If I go ahead and use Na10, I can probably integrate with LLMs. I can develop and generative AI applications. I can call multiple tools also over there, right? So when you get this particular skill set, you are actually moving towards AI generalist skill, right? And this is the most easiest way, because here you don't have any kind of prerequisites. Let's say that you are coming from the HR domain. I'm not saying you to probably go ahead and learn coding first. I'm saying you to that get the theoretical understanding of this and start building application using no code tools, right? And this way, the person who is very much specifically, who is so much knowledgeable in this domain, will become like an AI generalist, because it is able to solve those kind of problems of that particular domain itself. Similarly, we will go ahead and learn about agentic AI. Let's say we will be learning about agentic AI. Here we will be seeing how we can actually develop workflows, how we can develop independent workflows, complex workflows, and we can solve or automate many of the tasks, right? So this we will be understanding. But at the end of the day, if you really want to develop some kind of application which will be able to do it, again you need to go ahead and use some kind of no code tools over there, right? Similarly, some more topics that we are basically going to cover is about how to develop an independent AI agent. Let's say I will tell you okay, come on, let's develop a personal AI assistant which will be able to automate any kind of task that you do regularly, right? Regularly, any kind of task. It can be your calendar schedules, it can be some kind of research, it can be some kind of invoices that you have. You want to probably go ahead and make some kind of reports. You want to do some kind of data analysis. How you can actually do it with the help of your personal AI assistant, right? And all thanks to this amazing cloud ecosystem. Right now, they have actually come up with everything, right? So in cloud ecosystem, if I probably consider, you have something called as cloud skills, right? Cloud skills, just with the help of prompt plus some context that is given like an external tools, you will be able to develop this kind of workflows, right? Second, you want to probably go ahead and create your own personal AI assistant that works only on your desktop. You can actually go ahead and do it with the help of cloud cowork, right? Cloud cowork. Similarly, if you want to probably, you don't have coding knowledge, but you want to see some of the codes, you want to go ahead and develop a quick POC, you can go ahead and use cloud code, right? So this way, when you're using all the specific techniques, what you are actually doing, you are improving your productivity. You know how to now create a POC. You know how, since you're able to understand all these things, you will be able to lead a team, right? You will be able to get a clear understanding about the client, like what they specifically want, right? You'll be able to be so much knowledgeable by knowing all these things. You will be a very important asset whenever you are having a discussion specifically to solving some of the use cases in your team itself, right? So we cover all these things. Let's say tomorrow, in this particular syllabus, we also make sure to cover about MCP server, right? Now, when I'm teaching about MCP server, people who do not have any coding knowledge, right? After understanding MCP server, the next question comes that how do you are going to implement it? But what if I say that with the help of, let's say, no code tools also, I can actually help you to get an example of how MCP server works and how you can actually create it, right? And there also we may use some of the tools, let's say N8N, we can use some other no code tools to probably do the same thing. So, considering this, if you see that we are going to cover each and every important topics that is actually currently required in generative AI and agentic AI, and we will also show you how you can implement every of those things with the help of a no-code tool, right? So, this is the main criteria. This is the main aim of actually launching this particular course. Now, if you go ahead and visit my website, okay, so let's say I go to krishnaik.in, okay, and if you go ahead and see the roadmaps that we have actually developed. Now, inside this roadmap, we are making sure that we cater everyone, right? So if you see in this roadmap, according to me, right now, based on the industry trend, this is the three patterns that you can probably learn, right? AI. You can see there is a traditional route, you can see there is a modern route, and there is an advanced route. Whenever I talk about traditional route, you're going to probably start completely from scratch. You're going to learn the Python programming language, you're going to learn about data science, machine learning, stats, each and everything, right? And then move towards generative AI and agentic AI. And there is one more route which is basically very much like trending right now, which is nothing but modern route. In the modern route, specifically, we start with generative AI, then we learn about agentic AI, then we move towards the next step of understanding the basics of data science. But when we see in the modern route, now there are two routes that are coming up. One, if you're coming from the coding background, you can follow this route. If you're coming from the no code, means no non-coding background, then also you can learn generative AI and agentic AI. And for that, you need to follow this. And based on this specific roadmap, we have created this entire course. And there is a huge set of audience. Just ask yourself whether from what background you are actually coming up, right? If you have coding background, then you can definitely go ahead with some other route. If you're not coming from any kind of coding background, you are a business person, you are a technical person, even you are a fresher, you don't know about AI, and you don't want to start from the coding part, you want to start from the no code part so that you can quickly understand about Gen AI and agentic AI, then you should definitely pass through this no code route, right? And one more route soon we'll be also coming up with advanced route. This will be like a specialization batch. See, my main aim is to basically cover all the kind of audience specifically in different segments so that I make their learning pattern much more easier. And that's the reason why we have this amazing batch over here, right? So that is about modern no code AI route. And here our main aim is that you finally become a AI generalist. And finally, when you take your product into production, right, you become an AI builder, right? And that is also possible with the help of no code tools. So that is the reason why I'm launching this particular batch. And again, a special discount of 15% is available for everyone out there. uh, there we are going to probably focus on each and everything with respect to the learning, and we are going to cover this in within 3 to 4 months. It'll be a very interesting session. The mentors for this particular batch will be me and Mayank. Okay, Mayank will be probably considering in taking up the entire syllabus. He's an amazing mentor who makes sure, and he teaches in various companies also. Like he does a lot of corporate training. He helps people who are already in that field who quickly wants to get into AI, generative AI, agentic AI, and start building applications. And you can see a lot of videos even in my YouTube channel where Mayank has actually done an exceptional work, right? So we are probably going to cover each and everything. From Claude to N8N to ChatGPT Codex, and we'll give you an idea how to probably go ahead and create an entire personal AI assistant, how to make sure to build AI workflows with the help of N8N, where you don't have to probably worry about anything related to coding, how you can build application completely end to end and take it into production, right? Everything will be discussed. One more amazing thing about this batch is that you also get the access of the previous batch recordings completely for free. Along with this batch, the live sessions will be all recorded and will also be available in the dashboard. So yes, so what are you waiting for? Go ahead and enroll now. The batch is going to start from May 17th, and for the first 300 students we have a 15% off, which you can go ahead and utilize. So I hope you like this particular video. This was it from my side. I'll see you on the next video. Have a great day ahead. Thank you and all. Take care. Bye bye.